Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I had recently problem with the car alarm on this 2006 Honda Ridgeline, and this is what was happening. I will come towards to the locked truck. I will open it by using that key fob. I will enter the truck, right? Sit inside and maybe put a key in the ignition, but the alarm will start going off. And when that happened a few times, I realized there is definitely some problem with the entire system, because the way this security system works is when you unlock the vehicle using your key, right? You unlock it and you don't enter the vehicle. Within like 30 seconds, the whole alarm system, whole security system closes everything and goes back in the stage being armed. And obviously, just using common sense, I realized that this truck or the computer doesn't think that I open this door, right? And basically the security system locked the whole car again, and then I was moving inside, so the alarm started sounding. So I was thinking, what is responsible to giving information to the computer that I actually have opened this door? And I'm sure all of us know that is this door switch, right? This door switch is responsible for shutting off the lights, right? And giving the information also to the alarm system that the door is closed. Now, I just touched this little area and I immediately realize that that entire pin, which is going in and out, is broken in two pieces and it needs to be replaced. And I was actually able to position that broken piece the way it was originally, just temporary fix. And immediately, if you look right here, if I push it, it immediately started working and it's starting giving that signal to the computer that the door is closed. And of course I was extremely stoked and happy that this diagnosis was so simple, and all I need to do is replace that door switch. And it was followed by another great news. I called the dealer for the price of that door switch and they said it's less than $10. And of course I will go ahead, replace the switch and film it for you, but that will be part of different video on this channel. So my friends, stay tuned, be subscribed, because I have way more great videos coming your way on this channel soon. Thank you for watching today and have a wonderful day.